Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. Okay, so time to do live trading. So today is 14th of January guys and the time is around 9:11 now. So let's see how the pre-open market is opening today. So coming to the pre-open market section, so guys, before that, if you're liking the content of my channel, a subscribe to my channel will be superb. So yes, now let's see how the pre-open market is opening. So the Nifty is opening at only 0.01% change, that is opening at 14,550. Advances stocks are 35, declines are 12 and unchanged are 3. So not much of a volatile in the opening, but let's see what are the stocks which are opening in the upper section in pre-open. ONGC with 1.66% up, NTPC with 1.12% up. Coming to the stocks which are opening in the gap down section, that is Infi with 1.96% down and Wipro with 1.53% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market is looking right now. So just in few minutes I'll be selecting the stock and we'll be doing the live trade today. So stay tuned for that. I'll be telling you what stock I select and what I trade. And also guys, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. And also you can visit my blogspot link, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video to see all the details, and watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding this. So guys, right now I've selected Sun Pharma to trade and I've short sold it around 602 and now it's at 600.85. So we'll see how far the stock will go down. Right now we are in a short sell trade of a Sun Pharma. We'll see how the stock will perform. So guys, short at around 602 as you guys know, so almost around 599 now. Quickly checking the market, even the market is coming down as you guys can see. 5 minutes chart of Nifty 50 chart, this is how it looks. So market is gapping down, so 0.40% down if you guys can see the market is, and our stock is at 599.85. so we'll see how the stock will perform. So we almost booked like 0.5%, more than 0.5% target here if you guys can see. So guys, as you can see, the downward movement is continuing. 598 as of now. And Nifty 50 market is like almost 0.50% down. This is a stock chart, 598 almost. Okay, so even the Nifty 50 is going down, 597.95. Let me check the pharma index, what's happening. Yes, even the pharma index is in a downfall here if you guys can see. So 597 guys, almost 597.15 is a low made. So almost 1% target is achieved here if you guys can see. The low made is 597. So it was a good trade today. Just in few minutes was able to book this profit. So this is a 15 minutes candle chart if you guys can see here. So 597 almost, which is a good target. Almost 1% target is achieved. So guys, if you can see here, 596.45 is a low made, and I managed to exit around 597, and this was the profit what I was able to book today. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to learn intraday trading, you can join us now. Okay. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to a stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day, and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.